Hey there, homeowners! Ever dreamed of having a kitchen that practically runs itself? Well, let me walk you through the ultimate guide to designing your very own smart kitchen. First off, let's talk about smart appliances. Imagine controlling your refrigerator, oven, and dishwasher right from your smartphone or with a simple voice command. It's like having a personal assistant in your kitchen. Smart appliances not only save you time but also boost your efficiency. Next up, voice-activated controls. With a voice assistant, you can adjust lighting, set timers, and even play your favorite cooking tunes, all hands-free. This is perfect for multitasking while you whip up your favorite dishes. Energy efficiency is another key feature. Opt for energy-efficient appliances to cut down on utility costs and reduce your environmental footprint. Win-win. Now let's illuminate your space with smart lighting systems. Program your lights to adjust based on the time of day or occupancy. Not only does this enhance your kitchen's ambiance, but it also helps save on energy bills. Don't forget about integrated storage solutions. Design your storage to fit your smart appliances, keeping everything organized and clutter-free. A well-organized kitchen is a happy kitchen. And finally, kitchen automation features. Think automated faucets, smart scales, and other nifty devices that make cooking and cleaning a breeze. Ready to build your smart kitchen? Start by assessing your needs. What are your cooking habits? Which smart technologies will enhance your daily routine? Next, upgrade your core appliances. Swap out those outdated models for smart versions with connectivity and advanced features. Enhance your space further with smart lighting and well-planned storage solutions. And don't forget to ensure system compatibility. Choose devices that work seamlessly together for a unified smart home experience. By thoughtfully integrating these elements, you can create a smart kitchen that not only meets your culinary needs, but also adds value and modern convenience to your home. Happy cooking, and see you next time.